today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the proudly powered by WordPress uh, footer statement that's usually included with a lot of like WordPress themes. Alright, so in order to do so, we're going to be using um, a method that involves directly editing the theme files. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to do is to upload your theme, obviously, and I hope you can do that. And if you need help doing that, you can always uh, send some comments, and I can help you. All right. So in order to be able to edit the theme files to change the statement, you're gonna need to navigate to um, Appearance, and then click on Theme Editor. It's taking its time. And look, once it loads, scroll down until you locate the theme footer file and click on it. And once it loads, you can see right here the proudly powered by statement is here, but there is also this other code that we're going to need to edit. So the best way to know what we need to remove is simply to right click. If you're using Chrome, right click on the statement here that we need to remove and click on Inspect, and it should open up this window that shows you the code associated with this statement. As you can see here, it's in this div element. If you click on this arrow, it opens it, and as you can see, there's a link, and proudly powered by that. And then there's a separator, which is a span element, and then it says theme, and then another uh, link by a themes. Alright, so we need to look for an A tag, an opening A tag, closing A tags, opening span tag, closing span tag, and another opening and closing A tag, and remove them. And they should be right near these words. Alright, so A tag, span, and all this other stuff. And so we can safely just remove this, remove the span as well. And here we need to be careful because this is PHP. So an opening PHP tag is associated with a closing PHP tag. So we can safely remove these as well. And then hit update file. So that should remove the statement once it's done editing. We can reload the page, and this whole statement should disappear. Alright, so once it disappears, we can add our own statement right here where we actually deleted the A links in the span. So let's put and let's say maybe urban Shona. All rights reserved. And put the copyright symbol. 2020 and hit update file. Alright, let's reload this and let's see what happens. And there you have it. We've changed the footer text of our theme. And so, Urban Shona, all rights reserved, copyright 2020. So we may need to just change this into a link and to make sure that the date auto updates. So in order to do so, I would need to change this date to be spit out from PHP and to change this to a link. So let me just do that just quickly. A href. All right, so that changes that to a link. And we need to change this to a date function spit out by PHP. So what this date function does is that it just uh, spits out the current year, and the current year gets echoed by this statement. So update. So if I did everything right, when we go to this page, it should appear as if nothing changed, except that this should now be a link, and this should still be 2020. Alright, as you can see, when I hover over this, it shows urbanshona.com, so it's our link, and this still shows the current date. Alright, so this is how you'd use the method of directly editing the theme footer files in order to remove Proudly Powered by WordPress. Well, this has the disadvantage that, like, if you were to update this theme or the theme you're currently using, like, you'd have to re-edit this code. So in my other tutorial videos, like, I mention a better method of doing this, but this is just like the quickest way to do it. Alright, thanks for watching.